Hi friends, welcome to Bella Stitchery. Today launches a brand new segment I like to call Throwback Thursday, and it will be available on its own playlist if you want to watch them all as they come out. This was inspired by me destashing and cleaning my craft space this week and finding these lovely treasures. I think I got rid of a ton of these the last time I moved because I probably had, I don't even know, 70. But for whatever reason, I had to hang on to these 6. I don't really know why, but looking back through them this week was kind of amusing, and I thought it'd be fun to do a video showing an older card and making a contemporary design using the same sketch idea. So what do you think about that? Kind of fun, right? Let me know too in the comments, what's the oldest craft magazine you have? Because you know you have some of these things that you have kept and they are just sitting on a shelf because you just never know when you're going to go through them again. This one is what we're going to use today, and this is from Card Design in 2012. For reference, it is currently 2021. And I found this cute little card here that actually holds up pretty well, I think. See this? Happy anniversary. I like this sketch idea because I do use a lot of cute printables and vintage images. So I thought this is kind of a great card sketch for probably a lot of different cards. I really like a vintage style, so we're kind of going to do that today. And I'm going to include the printable I'm using, which is this one, on my blog. So if you like this sweet little bird, which what is not to like, it is so sweet, you can go to my blog. I'll have a link down below and save this, print it yourself. So let's get started on this. For the base of the card, I just cut my cardstock down to the standard 4 1/4 by, it's 11 size, in half basically, and folded it. So we have our card base. The next thing I did was to pre-cut some cardstock. This is an old 8x8 pack of October Afternoon. Speaking of throwback, does anyone still have this? I love October Noon so much and I miss them. Actually, this print reminds me of October Afternoon, doesn't it? I just love their style. I wish this were still available. But I've been keeping this too because once it's gone, I know it's just gone and I just have to make peace with that. So I cut out my interior card piece. Okay, I'm going to put some art glitter glue on the back here for my cardstock. We're just going to put that right down in the middle. And I'm not going to glue this yet, but I'm going to put it about where I think it's going to go. And then I feel like the real big takeaway from this sketch is this pretty trim here. So I'm going to go kind of fancy with my trim. The first thing I'm going to do is die cut some paper lace using the Sizzix die. There will be a link to this tube down below if you like any of the products here. And I'm going to do that in the matching brown cardstock. And then I'm also going to use some traditional lace just so it's even more fancy. So I'm going to put this paper one down first, so I kind of get an idea on how much space I need. So cute. What is your favorite card style? I'm interested to know. Again, I tend to gravitate toward the vintage style, but I'm curious as to what your favorite is because I'm always looking to incorporate new ideas. Do you like contemporary? Do you like very simple and graphic card? Do you like stamped cards? What is your choice? Okay, then we're going to put some ivory lace on there and cut that down. Art glitter glue will hold lace. It's one of my favorite glues to use. I typically use a glue gun. I'm just waiting for it to heat up right now, but I didn't want to wait to make the card, so you just got to go for it. Then I'm going to put my little bird down. Now that I have my lace and I know how much room I have. So I'm going to use that on the back. Like so. So cute already. Oh, it's so cute. So we basically are following this same idea here. I noticed they had a happy anniversary. I'm going to be using a friendship title, but I'm going to put it over here because I'm going to put some flowers where they had their butterfly. So let me get some pop-up adhesive, aka cardboard, for my title. Oh, these scissors are maybe too small for this. Okay, got it. No need to panic. Okay, I'm going to use some more art glitter glue there. Oh no. Don't worry when I drop things. It's totally fine. Okay, and then I'm going to put some more art glue here. I watch so many YouTube videos myself, and I'm always curious as to how many of these YouTubers are so graceful and like they never drop anything. Maybe they just edit all that out. But I feel like whenever I know I'm filming something, oh my gosh, I'm like so klutzy all the time. Okay, so there's my friendship there. And then we're gonna put, instead of this butterfly chipboard and button, I thought I'd put some flowers and some seam binding in the corner there because I love this kind of pretty vintagey type texture on this kind of style card. Okay, so we're going to add some hot glue here since it's about ready. This is a new glue gun for me. I have an unboxing and a product review on it if you'd like to check that out. You can unplug it and use it cordlessly. So that's kind of interesting. If you want to see how that works, I'll put a link up here. And we're going to put some flowers. One of my favorite things to add to cards or layouts, but you know, I really like flowers. Okay, there. And we're going to add a few leaves. Back here. And maybe another one down here. Kind of gently lift up your flowers. Some people put leaves in first. I like to kind of see where everything lays before I put my leaves down, and then I just kind of tuck them under my flowers there. And then the last thing I'm going to add some glossy accents. I've used this in some projects not that long ago. It adds a nice effect. It's kind of dries like a clear epoxy look. So this is great for printables because sometimes printables, while adorable, lack dimension, you know, because you printed them off your computer and all that. So I like adding sometimes stickles, sometimes glossy accents. I just think it gives it a nice little something extra. This will dry clear. And as I've mentioned before when using this, if you see any bubbles, which I don't on this one, you're just going to want to take a little straight pin and pop those bubbles before it dries. But that's our card, and that was inspired by a card sketch from 11 years ago. Look at that, before and after. This is a great sketch idea. I think this will work for just about any style card and just give you an idea of proportions and where to put different elements. I just love card sketch ideas. So what do you think of this one? I would love your feedback. Let me know your comments. Would you like to see more videos like this in the future? Because I have 6 magazines, which is thousands of ideas, really. I mean, we could be doing this for the next 30 years. Easy. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, check it out, try it out. Let's make some stuff. Bye!